Hey, welcome back to this Transformers War for Cybertron Sleeves Trilogy exclusive limited edition collector factory error mistake. What the F are these characters? Top Shot and Flat WFC S sets, which is not their code number, because the bots, these characters are in the wrong bots partition, wrong code number on the back, and then the little insert that they come with for the instructions is wrong. Oh my god, this is the Cybertron barricade. And let me see if I can get this camera to focus better. Look at it. It says Studio Series. This insert is from Transformers Studio Series barricade. Oh my god. Like, what the F? And what happened here? Seriously. Transformers Studio Barricade? Obviously, this is not Barricade. There are two random fitters here. Wow. Just, wow. How could this happen? So, this is a little tank character, or as I'm going to call him, Little Metatron. Little M. Little M for Little Metatron. Now, I do know that they are coming out with a Leader Quest Metatron that's going to be somewhat in this whole paint scheme with this green and purple design. Kind of looks like this one. Only, full scale. This one's downscaled for downsize. But these fitters, outdoors, these little fitters here. Let me just pop one out for you. Come on, get his little head up. So let me put him right there. And these two, yeah, shoulder to shoulder. These little Micromasters, these are like about maybe the size of, I want to say something around a Battle Master. So were these supposed to be new Battle Masters that just hasn't been released yet? That don't have, the battle or fat parts? Are these supposed to change into battleized weapons? Almost like a Target Master, which is what battleizers are? Because they're not smart enough to be Micromasters, and they don't combine like Micromasters, even though you get two in a bots like a Micromaster. So, wow. One partition, one instruction insert. I actually have no idea who these are. These are like special little fellers. The bid, the special. Arm could rotate around. Could go in and out that far. Head could rotate with the gun, because the gun is attached to the head. Legs back, legs forward.